Welcome to Wolver channel today. I'm going to show you how to create a token on base chain. I chose base chain. It has low fees. If you need any smart contract for any blockchain like ETH, BNB, or RB, check my Telegram link down below. Now go to remix.eth, create a new file, and paste your smart contract on it. When you finish, go to Compile. Select your compiler version and compile. Then go to Deploy and choose a name for your token and the amount that you want. Deploy. And done that, you have it the same way works with other smart contract of Deferent blockchain. When you done import your token to MetaMask, finish the steps. Thank you for watching. If you need any contract or full deployment service, reach me on Telegram. My Telegram is down below.